Hey y'all, this is Amanda with She's Mad Gardener, and today we are doing a little bit of sprinkler line repair, or more importantly, drip line repair. In the little green area between the street and the sidewalk, I think you call it the parkway, we kind of hit our drip lines a little bit with the weed eater. Slash those up a little bit. So I'm going to show you how to simply repair this. It's way easier than you think. You do not need to hire a plumber, pay them $100 to come over and do this very simple thing. You can handle it yourself. And this same technique can be used on your drip lines in your garden, in your yard, in your flower beds, whatever you have. As a reminder, make sure you hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button so you know when all my latest videos are up. Okay, here's the one one of the ones we're gonna be fixing. We're fixing two today. And this one is just a split line. Okay, so we've got another one in here that we're gonna have to dig up to find. But you can see how the water is bubbling up. So we'll dig that up and we'll see what we have. Okay, so we started investigating utilizing small trowels. We did not go in with a big giant shovel because we did not want to damage the line more than already is. And when you go in with a large shovel and you just start digging, there's a good chance you're gonna hit something. So we always start with small trowels, work our way around the area. We try to pull up the grass and put it to the side so that we can utilize it back in the space later. Here's something right here. This is it. There it is. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Next, use a sharp pair of pruners or a pair of scissors to cut out the part that is bad. Make sure you keep close to where that part is, and then you're going to utilize a 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch coupling to put to one side of the hose and the other side to the other side of the hose. I have listed that down low so you can click on the link and get directly to what you need. All right, you want to turn it on? Okay, we got the water turned on. No drip. It's good to go. After you have checked to make sure it is no longer leaking, put back the sod and then check on the area the next few times you run your sprinklers to make sure it is no longer leaking. Okay, when we started on this next little area, and this is that big water that was shooting out like crazy, we ended up finding 3 different cut lines. It looked like we had actually had a little bit of repair done over here for some drainage issues, and I think that crew cut up this line pretty bad. So this line ended up getting kind of wrecked a little bit. So we had to cut out some larger pieces, but we stuck with the same method and used that 1/2 inch barbed coupling adapter. You can get it through Rainbird. Once again, I've got that link down low so that you can check it out and get directly to it. And we cut out the bad part and then we inserted the coupling in there, and that is the easy way to fix your line. Okay, so we ended up fixing multiple. We had one here, and then once we fixed that big one all the way at the end of the parkway at the corner of our property, because water supply could suddenly get to the rest of the line, we ended up finding multiple. So we ended up finding 2 right here. I had one in this area and one in this area. And then the parkway over here, this is where that big shooter was coming up. We ended up having multiple here. So we had one over here and one over here. So we are good to go now. Okay, got that done. Probably saved us a lot of money. Cost us maybe $10 and about 45 minutes in time. The actual repair was really short. It's the finding where the leak is. That's the hard part. So we got that all figured out. I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very simple tutorial on how to fix spliced or poked holes or broken drip lines in your parkway. You can also use the same technique in your garden beds, in your lawn, wherever you're utilizing drip lines. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.